Most traders end up juggling multiple platforms just to trade different markets. One app for Forex, another for crypto, and another for commodities. But what if you could access all of them from one platform? Today, we're looking at LQH Markets, a multi-asset broker offering Forex, crypto, indices, and commodities with MT5 support, fast execution, and access to more than 300 different trading instruments. And if you use the code TLL50, there's currently a 100% deposit bonus available as well. Now, this is financial advice. Always do your own research, but let's dive into this. So what is LQH Markets? LQH Markets is designed for an all-in-one trading environment for people who want access to multiple financial markets without overcomplicating the process. You can trade Forex pairs, cryptocurrencies, indices, commodities, and other instruments directly from the same account. That flexibility matters because traders today don't just focus on one market anymore. Some days crypto is moving, other days gold is moving, and sometimes Forex volatility becomes the main opportunity. Having everything under one roof makes switching between markets much easier. One thing many traders will immediately recognize is that LQH Markets supports MetaTrader 5, also known as MT5. And MT5 is still one of the most widely used trading platforms globally for a reason. You get advanced charting, technical indicators, multiple timeframes, and professional order execution, and all the analysis tools most traders already use daily. So if you're already familiar with MT5, the learning curve here is basically minimal. But even if you're newer to trading, the interface still feels beginner-friendly enough to navigate without getting overwhelmed. You can monitor charts, execute trades, manage risk, and analyze different assets all inside one clean trading environment. Another major point here is execution speed. LQH Markets provides an ECN-style trading environment with fast execution and tight spreads. That's important because in trading, speed actually matters, especially during high volatility time periods. Nobody wants delayed entries or massive slippage during fast-moving markets. And for active traders, scalpers, or short-term traders, tighter spreads can make a notable difference over time. So the combination of MT5 plus fast execution is clearly aimed at creating a smoother overall trading experience. Now, another thing worth highlighting is the market variety. LQH Markets offers access to more than 300 different trading instruments. That includes Forex, crypto, commodities like gold and oil, and of course global indices. So instead of being locked into one category, traders can diversify across multiple markets depending on where the opportunities are. And honestly, that's becoming more important now because markets move in cycles. Sometimes crypto dominates attention, other times commodities or Forex become more active. For beginners, there's also demo accounts available. And that's something I always recommend to newer traders. Before risking real money, you should definitely practice first. Get comfortable with the platform, test strategies, learn risk management, and of course, a demo account will let you understand how the market moves without immediate financial pressure. Now, creating an account on LQ Markets is actually very easy. Just simply press the sign up button and verify as you would do in any jurisdiction. Now, as we can see here, this is the dashboard, which is inside the platform. At the top, we do have all of the assets. You can see Bitcoin, Ethereum, we've got some Forex here, and some indices will pop up too. But if we go down, this is where we can actually create our own live trading accounts. Now, we've talked about demo accounts and live accounts here, but let's open a live account and just show you how easy this is to do. So we can see it's set up your account, choose your account type here. So we've got our spread and our minimum deposit, which is incredibly low, just as low as $10, which is probably the lowest I've seen on any platform when it comes to Forex and trading. And this scales all the way up to Pro, which is a $1,000 minimum deposit and the lowest spread possible. You've also got swap options, you've got PAM, and of course an Islamic account here too. Now scrolling down here, we can see we can select our leverage. Now this is going to be important for managing your risk, but if you are someone that likes low leverage or high leverage, you can see you've got 10x here all the way up to a whopping 500x, which is incredible for those of us that like a little bit more risk. We can also select our nickname here, and then once we're happy, we simply press create account. And just like that, we can see the account has been created successfully, and it is now available here We can see our MetaTrader 5 access. We've got our leverage, our balance, our equity, and we can also deposit and withdraw from this specific account like so. Going in a bit deeper, if we did want to link this with MetaTrader 5, this is where we can get our password. So we can update the password there, and then we can use this account number at the top, and then we'll have access to this via MetaTrader. We also have the server here too, and we can see our leverage and a bit more info on our account here. Now, we talked about the dashboard here. This is where we can see all of our accounts. We can also see a demo account here easily, so we can create a demo account just like we did with the real account. Everything is available there. And going back to the dashboard, we can go to transactions. This is where we're going to see all of our transaction history, whether it's deposits, withdrawals, or internal transfers, and then a bit more of an overview on accounts there. Now let's talk about the current promotion. If you use the code TLL50, you can access 100% deposit bonus. So depending on the terms and your deposit size, you can significantly increase your starting trading balance. The platform also focuses on making deposits and withdrawals straightforward and user-friendly, which is another thing traders always pay attention to. So my final thoughts here is that LQH Markets seems focused on offering a balanced experience for both beginners and experienced traders. You've got MT5 support, multi-asset access, fast execution, tight spreads, demo accounts, and professional trading tools all inside one ecosystem. And having access to Forex, crypto, indices, and commodities from the same platform definitely makes things more convenient. So if you want to check out LQH Markets for yourself, I'll leave the links below. You can explore the platform, test the demo account, and see how the trading environment works firsthand. And don't forget, use the code TLL50 currently to unlock a 100% deposit bonus. As always, trade responsibly, manage your risk, and do your own research. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.